Grand Chalenges infrastructure. It is estimated that the United States' failing infrastructure costs $129 billion to some things like vehicle repairs and lost time. Decades of insufficient funding have led to our infrastructure only being repaired enough to not be deemed a safety risk. American Society of Civil Engineers warn that if action is not taken soon, the cost and the effect on our economy will be insurmountable. The Urban Land Institute warns we are falling behind some major economic competitors like Brazil, China, and India. Most of our infrastructure was built before World War II due to the WPA, which was part of the New Deal. Half of these structures still remain today, well past their life expectancies.
Easy traveling has been a crucial factor of globalization that has defined the growth of the largest city in the planet. Therefore, the biggest step we can take for the creation of a metropolis is establishing an airport. So, how important is the creation of airports to a developing city? If we look back, the 18th century had seaboats and seaports. The 19th century was mainly railroad. The 20th century, however, saw a huge growth in the automobile industry, and now the 21st century is dominated by air travel. In all of these cases, travel hubs have led to significant regional development, and today airports are not an exception. Building airports can bring billions of dollars into the local economy and promote growth in valuable industries.
Public transit systems are one of the problems that we as engineers need to fix. Roadways are becoming old and outdated, they are not suited for a growing population, and they are not an efficient way of public transportation on their own anymore. So what can we do to fix it?
Next up is America's bridges. The U.S. has 614,000 bridges, roughly, 40% of which are 50 years or older. 56,000 of these bridges, or about 9.1%, were rated as structurally deficient in 2016. On average, 188 million trips across structurally deficient bridges were made each day in 2016. The backlog cost of bridge rehab in the U.S. is estimated at $123 billion. So what can we do to fix this problem? First, we should take inventory and assess the situation, catalog projects that need addressing, assess damage and prioritize the tasks, and gain public support. Next, we need to secure funding, build a team to organize, delegate tasks to local entities if possible, and hire or form build crews that are able to complete the specific tasks, and most importantly, maintain.